Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting beginner tutorial on creating a lazy loading effect using Vue. So this technique is great for enhancing user experience on web site with heavy content. So let's start this. So in this tutorial, we will create a lazy loading scheme that displays a low percentage. As the node progresses, the background image will gradually become less blurred, and the loading test opacity will decrease. In creating a smooth transaction effect. So we will use Vue for this reactive and flexible nature make this task easier and more efficiency. So first, let's look at our Vue instance. So here we're using Vue 2.6.14 for this project. So we define our Vue instance with the element ID app, which links our JavaScript to the corresponding HTML elements. And our data property include load, in, blur, and capacity here. So the load property tracks the loading progress. In is for interval, blur control the background blur, and opacity affect the visibility of our loading test. And in the created lifecycle hook, we set up the interval that call the blurring method every 30 milliseconds. So the blurring method is where the magic happens because it increments the loading percentage and update the blur and the opacity based on the loading progress using the custom scale methods. Sorry. So once loading reach 100%, the interval is clear. Okay. So so let's move to the HTML. So we have a simple setup here. So the Vue application is rooted in a div with the ID apps. So inside we have a section for the background and a div for the loading test. So both use Vue's bounding syntax to dynamically update their style based on our Vue instance data. So our CSS is straightforward here. We use Flexible to centralize our content and set our background image and apply the initial style for the blur effect and the text appearance, right? So the style updates our Vue instance data string, right? So now let's see in the action, and let me see how to open it. Let me see. This is a person. Okay. So we refresh the page. Okay. This smooth transition is all thanks to the Vue reactive. And there you have it, a simple yet effective lazy loading scheme using the Vue.js. So this technique can adapt for variety application and enhancing the user experience on your site. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy coding. Bye bye.